So hey guys, welcome back. This is Diksha, and in this episode of Python programming language, let's see what are conditional statements in Python and what are these actually and how do they perform or how do they function and how many types are there within these conditional statements in Python. Now just quickly get into the video. Let me go to the draw section. I'm gonna take the highlighter and conditional statements in Python. So basically, conditional statements are also known as decision making statements. They are helpful to take the quick decisions, and they provide a way to make decisions in your program and execute a code based on those decisions. Yeah, it's very simple. I hope you understood. So conditional statements are actually a decision making statements. If a P is a statement and Q is a statement, or else like X is a statement or Y is a statement, so both of this X and Y should can also be a sentences. If Y is true, then X must be true. If Y is false, then indirectly an X is also a false statement. And that's it. So first let's discuss about if condition. So the syntax goes like if, then condition. If this condition is true, the statements within this if conditions executes, like statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. And all these statements executes, it comes out of this if block, and what are the statements written outside the block also participate within this if condition. That's it. Moving to the if else statement, if else syntax. If you write a condition, if this condition is true, the statement within this condition gets executed, like statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, n number of statements gets executed. If this thing is false, then the control jumps to the else block. And what are the statements written in the else block? The statement 3 and statement 4 executes. If this condition is true, if the first condition is true, statement 1 is executed, statement 2 is executed, then the control directly jumps and statement 5 is executed, which is outside the block. If this condition is false, in the very beginning, then it directly jumps to the else block. Statement 3 is executed, statement 4 is executed, and statement 5 is executed. That's it. So the condition needs to be true, then the statements within the if condition will be executed. If the first condition is false, then it goes to the else condition. The statements written within the else condition gets executed, comes out, and what are the statements written outside of every block gets executed. It happens with the both if and else condition. The syntax for if elif. So in if elif, if the condition is true, the statements within the if condition gets executed. If the condition is false, the control jumps to the elif condition. And if this condition is true, then the statements within this elif condition gets executed. But if this elif condition, but if this elif condition is false, the control jumps to the another elif condition. And again, if this condition is true, again this statement is executed within the else elif block. If this elif block is false, it comes out and else block is apparently executed, and statements within the else block will be executed. That's it. Yeah. If condition is true, the statement within the if block will be executed. If false, elif condition. If this condition is true, the statements within this block will be executed. If condition is false, it goes to the next elif block. If condition is true, the statements within that set within that elif condition will be executed. If this elif condition is false, the control jumps to the else block, and the statements within the else block gets executed. Now just quickly write a small program and let's see how does this work. Let me go to the beginning. So here I wrote a simple and small code, very easy code. I took a character and I'm giving a statement called enter any character. If character equals to small m or capital M, I'm comparing this, so double equal to sign, small m and capital M. If character is equals to small m or character is equals to small capital M, then I want my output to print it as a male. elif, if my character is small f or my character is capital F, I want to print output as female. If both these conditions are false, I want it to print as a third gender. Okay. If condition is true, then this would be printed. If elif condition is true and this is wrong, this condition would be uh, followed. If this condition is false, then it comes to the elif block. Again, if both of these fail, then the control directly jumps to the last one, and this one, the third gender, will be printed. Now I'll run and I'll run the program and show you how does this work. So I wrote this program, and control S to save the program, and F5 key to run the program. Yeah, I'm entering any character like small m, enter. Wait. Yeah, like enter. F5 key to run. Enter any character. Capital M, male. It's a male. And control S and F5. Capital F. It's a female. You can say it. And control S. I'm gonna print like D. It's a third gender because D is not given in any of the statements. And control S. And I think that's it, how this code actually runs and performs. Like small m, third gender. What happened to this? Yeah. Print here, small m. It's a male. You can see it, right? The last one I had written in the next line, but you can write it in the above line as well. Go back and just control S and F5. I'll give small f. It's a female. So I hope you guys have understood how these conditional statements actually work. And in the next video, let's see what is nested collections and writing if condition within the if condition. How does that follow? Let's see in the next video. Till then, keep loving and keep coding. That's it. Bye bye.